So in this video, we'll cover the done sales order list, which contains a list of all of the sales orders that you have already completed and fulfilled. Here you will find the sales order number, customer, just like on the open page, the total amount that they paid, but with a couple of differences. We summarize all the tax, as well as your cost of goods sold, the profit you had made per sales order, and the picked date. So cost of goods sold will basically be what is the cost of the products that you sold to your customers, and then the difference between the price and the cost will give you the actual profit per sales order. And the things that make this page useful is also from the reporting perspective. You can easily choose a period of time when sales orders were fulfilled and get a nice overview of how much you did in your revenue, how much was your total cost of goods sold, and how much profit did you make with respect to all of your sales activities. So the done sales order list contains quite a lot of information. You can still use all of the filtering that is available here. I don't have too many orders that I can filter against, but you can search by specific customers, for example, to see all of the orders that you sold against them. You can also export that information and look it up by product. And you can also see in certain cases where you made less profit per sales order as well, if you need to report against that information. So it's quite a handy page, and it gives you enough information to look at things at a glance if it comes to be that you need to understand more about what's happening. Another area where we will go into more detail is related to cost of goods sold. So we'll cover that in our next video.